Alright, not much of a set, but we'll open it up here, okay? Fiddling this thing is not... They really don't want you watching DVDs anymore, ladies and germs. This is a digital era of fricking up your knife. There we go. This is a sharp knife, too. I should be a little more careful. Okay. This is ridiculous. Okay. There we go. Open her up. See what it looks like. Cable detached. That's cool. Looks like it's a, USB? Micro USB. You know, it's 2024. We should be having, there's no reasons we shouldn't have USB-Cs in everything. Come on, ladies and germs. Get with the times. Oh, good. I was thinking while pulling this out, how am I going to use this? But I have a DVD, a reader and writer, so it's cool. Wouldn't it suck if you bought one of these in 2024 and it, could only write? You couldn't watch movies. It was, only a CD player. That would be a bummer. Anyway, I threw the box. Here's the item. Nicely, protected. I don't know what record that hits. Try to hit the movie shelf. Oh, I hit the bookshelf, not the actual movies. Oops. Let's open this. I can feel it moving just by holding it. I can feel the plastic kind of. Oh wait, but no, it's a moving disk drive. I forgot. So I think it opens and closes even. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I have moved back to proper surfaces now that gimmick is over. But yeah, I'm not used to having anything with a disk drive in it other than my DVD player. So it's when I was first opening this, I'm like, oh no, I could feel the plastic moving. Something's broken, but no, moving parts, that's why they don't include them. Just more repairs. Yeah, that's weird. It plugs in through micro USB. I kind of wish it would have said that, or maybe it does and I just didn't see it. Anyway, and the more I think about it, I really want to be able to play my Blu-rays too. So I might end up taking this back, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we'll go ahead and carry on. Proceed through. There's no little handle to pull the plastic off. What are we gonna do? What am I gonna do? Or maybe that's just the finish? Is it just a plastic? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I was gonna say it can't be. Is this ready? One of these days, I'm going to mess with you guys and totally mess this up. But for the first little while, until I get famous, I'll give you this. Check that out. Oh, and it's a sticker too. So it's not just static. Okay. Matte finish, good. Nobody needs a fingerprint magnet. It says LG on the front, and it's just about the size of a disc. Alright, so I took the thing out of the bag. You didn't miss anything. We'll go ahead and plug it into the computer. Go ahead and roast my computer. Everybody has frickin' stuff on it, okay? Only human Harry. And I don't feel like cleaning it right now, so how about them apples? Now it has a oh jeez, I hate the micro USB. It just feels like it's gonna break every time. So I probably will, because if this thing, I mean, I guess you could get a new cable, but you ever see a port that's screwed up? The micro USB is just bad news bears. Okay, so I'm gonna try, wow, now you really get to see the full glory of making a YouTube video. You just shove everything to the side and proudly displayed on the ugliest countertops ever made. I have to feature my ugly countertops before they go away because they ought to be remembered. So let's go ahead and see if it even opens first. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, Oh, let me film that again. Hold the camera ready. Whew. It's got it like loads. Like make sure it's not spinning or something. Interesting. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna put this here just so we can see it. I know I'm putting it on the keyboard. It's for demonstrative purposes, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's watch everybody's favorite. We got, let's see. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I swear on my life, I bought this DVD pack with it like this. Dora's Fairyland Adventure. And I did check, it is indeed Dora's Fairyland Adventure, so no need to ask. But well, I guess we'll find out, huh? Put it in. Let's just see if it'll start, because I don't feel like if it doesn't work, how are you gonna install the software? Oh, I guess you can go on the internet. I'm still thinking like it's 2000 late. It's ready. Choose what happens with movies. Yes. Yes. Look at it. Beautiful. Okay. I wish I would have filmed opening this thing, because it seems like I made it up, but I literally bought it. I bought this Friday the 13th movie pack, and everything else is Friday the 13th except for part 2, the one that everybody actually wants to watch. And so I have a feeling somebody at the factory pulled a little fast one, a little sneaky, little 1-2 caboot, slip and slide the DVD out of the pocket and into the pocket. Let's play it with a VLC media player, as one should. If you're using Windows Media Player, you're doing something wrong. Oh, this is a TV show. Cool. Oh, duh, it's Dora. How do you have episodes of Dora's Fairyland Adventure? That's what I'm wondering. There's bonus episodes. Oh, the magic stick. Done. Let's get a copyright strike. Oh my god, it's live action? Whoa. Look at that live action. That's crazy. Dara, 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 D. Fuck you. Alright, it works. Guys, I've got more. Let's try everybody's favorite cap. Space Cap. I know it doesn't say it's a Blu-ray player. I guess it specifically says it's a DVD player, but we'll go ahead and try a Blu-ray anyway. I could have sworn I bought the Blu-ray DVD of this. Oh well. Look at how much it's going for. I'm not getting rid of it ever. So you can just live vicariously through me. Let's see what happens. If this plays, I'm going to be happy, but I don't think it will, because it's a Blu-ray, obviously. Let's try and... It sounds like there's a mini dentist in there. Is that your tiny dentist concert? Oh. Man, it's really trying. It's really trying. Shoot. Yeah, don't think it's going to work, but it's worth a shot. This is a region-free Blu-ray, though, so let's go ahead and see if... Let's go ahead and see if a regular... I believe a regular for me.